Okay, I want to show you in real time how well this pet hair removal glove works. I have a dog. He's actually watching me do it right now, and he sheds like crazy. I also have a yellow lab too, who doesn't shed as bad, but we have a lot of hair in our house. Like, this is one of the things he lays on at night, and we actually keep a blanket. We keep this blanket over it, but it still gets a lot of hair. So let me show you how well this works. Has a little elastic piece here and then a little opening. I just will like shove my hands in it like this. And you can see right now it's clean. There's no hair on it. It has two different like types, which I think is what helps trap the hair in the middle. So let me show you how simple this thing is to use. I just go back and forth like this, and I'll do it quite a few times. You can actually see like the hair coming up. Like, it's coming up in chunks here too when it gets full. So look at that. It all goes to the middle here, and then you can just peel it off. And then I usually will clump it off to the side and then repeat that process. It works amazing. And it works on different types of surfaces too. You can do, like, look at that. I use my couch, I do my comforter, sometimes even the carpet. Look at all that hair that would otherwise sit there. This thing got vacuumed yesterday. So the fact that it's picking up all the hair that the vacuum couldn't is kind of crazy. All right, I'll show you one more time, because I'm sure there's lots more hair to pick up. See, like, you can even see it right here. And then just go back and forth. And I can tell it's full. So again, it rolls up so nicely. This brand actually sent it to me, and I am obsessed. It is so satisfying and helps clean off all the hair from this cute guy.